Hi kids, how are you all? I hope you all must be fine, right? So today we are going to read for class 4 Science Olympiad. And in class 4 Science Olympiad, which portion we are going to discuss? We are going to discuss the previous year questions of SOF NSO level 2 exam. Okay? So in our previous session, we have already discussed some questions, and in our today's session, we are going to discuss some more questions. So are you all ready for it? Yes. So let's get started. Our first question, refer to the given flowchart and select the incorrect option regarding plants P, Q and R. A. Options are A. P generally grows in soil that is deficient in minerals like nitrogen. B. Q has special roots that grow above the soil to breathe air. C. Leaves of R may possess sunken stomata or may be reduced to spines. D. None of these. So here things are given. Plants manufacture their own food. Yes. Plants eat and digest insect. Yes. P. So P, that is basically insectivorous plants. Okay. So P, it is insectivorous plants. So you know insectivorous plants. Yes. Examples are there like Venus, Flatra, Pitcher. Okay. Next, no plants grow in marshy areas. Yes, Q. So Q are the plants which grow in marshy areas. So in marshy areas, they are like mangroves. Okay, and then no plants grow in desert area. Yes, that is R. So R these are plants that grown in a desert area, like we can say Opuntia. Right? Okay. Now we have to find out the incorrect state option regarding plants P, Q and R. So first option, P generally grows in the soil that is deficient in minerals like nitrogen. This one is correct because they are not getting nitrogen from the soil. Okay, that's why they are trapping the insects, and they take the nitrogen substances from those insects. Okay. Coming to option B, Q has special roots that grow above the soil to breathe air. This one is also correct because as we read, Q that these are the plants which are growing in the marshy areas. So the plants, their root it comes outside above the soil to breathe in air. Next, leaf of R may possess sunken stomata or may be reduced to spines. This is also correct because these plants grow in desert areas. So if there will not be sunken stomata or they will not be reduced to spine, so there will be loss of water in the form of water vapor. Okay, and you know in desert areas less water is available, right? That's where they possess sunken stomata or they may be reduced to spines. So all of these options are correct. So which one is incorrect? That is option D. Got it? Coming to the next question, study the two life cycles P and Q and select the option that correctly identifies the organism which show these cycles respectively. Egg, larva, pupa, adult for P, and for Q, adult, egg, nymph, adult. Okay. Options are PQ, A, mosquito butterfly, B, lizard, frog, C, housefly, cockroach, D, grasshopper, dragonfly. So here the correct answer is option C, that is housefly and cockroach, because housefly, these are the life stages from the adult, egg, then larva, then pupa. Okay, then it again goes to adult. And Q, that is the life cycle is like cockroach. So cockroach adult, it gives eggs, eggs again into nymph, nymph again grows into adults. So the correct answer is option C. Coming to the next question, some food items are shown in the given box. There are dash energy giving foods, dash bodybuilding foods and dash protective foods. Options are A 543, B 444, C 345, D 525. Okay, so here the energy giving foods. So energy giving foods, Yes, these are carbohydrates and fats. So which are here energy giving food? So honey, bread, then butter, rice, wheat. So there are 5 energy giving foods. Dash bodybuilding foods. Bodybuilding foods, they contain the proteins. So which contain the protein? That is chicken, fish, egg and paneer. So 4 bodybuilding foods, and protective foods, they contain vitamins and minerals. Okay, means these are the fruits and vegetables, you can say. So here it is cabbage, apple, spinach. So 3 protective foods are there. So correct answer is option A, that is 5, 4 and 3. Coming to the next question, the couple shown in the given picture belong to which state of India respectively? Options are A. Kashmir and Maharashtra, B. Sikkim and Odisha, C. Gujarat and West Bengal, D. Uttar Pradesh and Kerala. So these are the pictures. Okay. So which are the states they belong to? Yes, can you tell the answer? So this one, the first, it is for Gujarat. Okay. And the second one, it is from West Bengal. Okay. So these are the clothes from which or these are the costumes what they have worn. From that we are getting to know it. So here the correct answer is option C, Gujarat and West Bengal. Coming to the next question. Starting from the first letter, strike out every alternate letter to get the name of a food preservation method and select the correct option. So options are given and we have to what we have to do? We have to from the first letter strike out every alternate letter. Okay. So now we will strike out every alternate letter. Okay. So now we will sorry, not G, this one. So now we are getting here frying. Coming to option B, yes. So when we go on striking out these things, we will get, that is canning. Okay. Then in option C, okay. So here that is the method, that is steaming. And in option D, if we go on taking out these things, then it will be roasting. Okay. So here we have to get the name of a food preservation method. So here the name of the food preservation method, that is canning, because the frying, steaming and roasting, these are the method of cooking, not the method of preservation. Okay. So option B is the correct answer. Coming to the next question. During her summer vacation, Nista is going to a place where steel house, okay, where steel house and floods are very common. So which of the following should she preferably pack in her luggage? So options are given. So think, if steel house is there, floods are very common, that means it is an area where there is heavy rainfall. Right? Yes. So what do we wear when there is raining? Yes. So we wear raincoat. Right. So here the correct answer is option D. Coming to the next question. Which of the labeled areas in the Venn diagram represents the small intestine? Options are A1, B2, C3, D4. So here, yes, about the small intestine, right? About the small intestine, so it is the organ for digesting food and it is an organ for absorbing food also. So 3 will represent the small intestine, and where it is present? It is present in option C. Got it? Coming to the next question, Ravi set up an experiment as shown in the given figure. The figure shows 5 identical balls being suspended on a rope by strings of different lengths. So Ravi then cut all 5 strings at the same time, and the balls were allowed to fall freely to the ground. Which of these statements holds true for this experiment? Options are A. Ball B had the greatest impact on the ground. B. Ball A had less gravitational potential energy than ball C at the start. C. Ball D had the most gravitational potential energy at the start. D. Balls A and E had different amount of gravitational potential energy at the start due to their different positioning along the road. Okay, so here A, B, C, D, E, these are 5 identical balls, but the height from the ground, that is different. Okay, so here see, which will have more impact on the ground, which will possess more potential energy, and potential energy, they are having the formula mgh. So it differs. M is mass of the ball, g, that is the acceleration due to gravity, and h is the height. So if they are identical ball, so it will depend on the height from the ground. So if height will be more, it will possess more potential energy. If height will be less, it will possess less potential energy. So what do you think? Yes, which one is having more height from the ground? It is B. So B will have more potential energy. So here the correct answer is option A. Ball B had the greatest impact on the ground. Got it? Coming to the next question. 4 objects P, Q, R and S of different volumes are placed in a measuring cylinder one by one, and the subsequent rise in water level is shown in the given figures. The object with the lowest volume is dash. Options are A, P, B, Q, C, R, D, S. Okay. So here we have P, Q, R and S of different volumes, right? Are placed in a measuring cylinder one by one, and the subsequent rise in water level is shown in the given figure. The object with the lowest volume is dash. So in the first picture only water is there, right? So I am writing W for water. So you can see it is 50, right? For W it is 50. Then in sorry, second figure, water plus P. Water plus P, that is equal to 60. Okay, so that means 50 plus P equal to 60. So how much will be P? It will be 60 minus 50, that is 10. Coming to the third picture, it is 80. So here water plus P plus Q equal to 80. So we know water plus P, that is 60 plus Q equal to 80. So Q is equal to 80 minus 60, that is equal to 20. Coming to the third pick, that is a fourth one, that is the 90. So here W plus P plus Q plus R equal to 90. We know W plus P plus Q equal to 80. Yes. So W plus P plus Q equal to 80 plus R equal to 90. So R will be equal to 90 minus 80, that is equal to 10. Coming to the last one. Okay. So here it is 95. Okay. So W plus P plus Q plus R plus S equal to 95. So W plus P plus Q plus R, we know it is 90, right? So 90 plus S equal to 95. So S equal to 95 minus 90, that is equal to 5. So we have to find the lowest volume. So lowest volume, that is 5 for S. So where it is present? It is present in option D. Coming to the next question, match column 1 with column 2 and select the correct option. Column 1, column 2. Column 1, adaptation for flight, adaptation for protection from enemies, adaptation for eating place, adaptation for living in cold region, adaptation for living in water. In column 2, gills, sharp and well-developed canines, thick layer of fat under skin, camouflage, hollow bones. Okay. Sorry. So the first one, adaptation for flight. Okay. So here adaptation for flight. For flight, they should possess hollow bones. So we can write here E. Then adaptation for protection from enemies. That is camouflage. That is they change the color according to the surrounding. So we can write here D. Yes. Next, adaptation for eating flesh. For eating flesh, they should have sharp and well-developed canines, right? So, it is option B. Then, adaptation for living in cold region. For that, they need thick layer of fat under the skin, which keeps them warm. So, we can write here C. Adaptation for living in water. So, for living in water, they have the gills. Okay. So here that is 1E, 2D, 3B, 4C, 5A. So correct answer is option C. Got it? Coming to the next question. In the given food web, P, Q, R, S, T, U are consumers. Which of these consumers are both plant and animal eaters? Options are A, P and S, B, Q and U, C, R and T, D, P and U. So, both plant and animal eaters, right? So, which one can you answer? If we talk about P, it is plant eater. Okay, it is also animal eater. Okay. Then about the U, it is also plant eater and also it is the animal eater. So correct answer is option D, that is P and U. Got it? Coming to the next question, refer to the given diagram of human digestive system and select the correct option regarding parts X and Y. Options are A, in part X, complete digestion of all components of food takes place. B, if part Y is removed in a person, then he or she will not be able to digest carbohydrates at all. C, both X and Y put their digestive juices in small intestine for digestion of various components of food. Okay. D, Y secretes the digestive juice which is capable of digesting fats, proteins and carbohydrates present in food. So here, yes, X, you can see this is the liver and Y, X, that is the stomach, okay, and Y, that is the pancreas. Now, which one is the correct option? So, correct option is option D. Y, that is the pancreas. It secretes digestive juice which is capable of digesting fats, proteins and carbohydrates present in juice in the food. Okay, and that juice, you know what is the name of that juice that pancreas secrete? The name is the pancreatic juice. Got it? Coming to the next question. Study the given table. Which of the following can be inferred regarding the two surfaces? Options are A, surface X acts like a mirror. B, surface Y may act like a mirror. C, surface X reflects light better than surface Y. D, none of these. So, X, rough surface and it is not shiny. Y, it is not rough. Okay, that means smooth and shiny. So what will happen? Yes, so surface Y, it may act like a mirror as it is not rough and it is shiny. Coming to the next question. 4 of Mrs. Singh's pupils made statement related to environment. Anu, forest influence the climate and water cycle. Yes, this one is correct. Predna, biodegradable household waste decrease soil fertility. No. Suchi, terrace farming helps in preventing landslides. Yes. Sweta, plants and animals in a forest are dependent on each other. Yes. So, which pupil made an incorrect statement? Options are A, Suchi and Predna only, B, Predna only, C, Anu and Sweta only, D, Sweta only. So here the correct answer is option B, that is Prerna only. Okay, because the biodegradable household wastes, they increase the soil fertility. Okay, coming to the next question, unscramble the given letter to get the name of an adaptation which is shown by the given animal. So here we can see a chameleon, right? And what does chameleon do? It changes its color according to the surrounding, okay, so that it can escape from its enemies. Yes, okay. So now what is the name of the process? The name of the process, that is the camouflage. Okay, it is camouflage, that is present in option. Coming to the next question, X is the largest and fastest spinning planet, whereas Y is the brightest planet of our solar system. Identify X and Y and select the correct option regarding them. Options are A. X is wider than 18 Earth if kept side by side. B. Y is called morning or evening star as it is seen at dawn or dusk. C. X is covered with thick layer of blue-green gas. D. Rings of Y are made up of ice, rocks and dust. So X is the largest and fastest spinning planet. So what is X? Yes, X is Jupiter. Right. Next one is Y. It is the brightest planet. That is the Venus. Now we have to find the correct option. So here that is the option B. Why? That is the Venus. It is called as the morning or evening star as it's seen at dawn or dusk. Got it? Coming to the next question. Select the incorrect match. Options A. Mangrove and that breathing root. B. Cactus photosynthetic root stems. C. Venus flytrap roots trap insects. D. Tap grass river like narrow leaves. So yes, mangrove poses breathing roots because these are present in marshy areas, right? So roots they come out to the air for breathing. Okay, then cactus they have photosynthetic stem. The stem they are having the green pigment and they do the photosynthesis. That means they prepare their food. Venus flytrap roots trap insects. No, roots do not trap insect. Okay, so there is a structure. Yes, so in that structure when insect come, it traps. Then tap gas ribbon like narrow leaves. This one is correct. So correct answer is option C. Coming to the next question, study the given bar chart table. Which of the following set of boxes give the names of traditional clothing of Kerala and Korea respectively? Options are A. 2 and 8, 4 and 5, B. 1 and 6, 5 and 3, sorry, C. 7 and 3, 4 and 9, D. 1 and 7, 2 and 5. So here the correct answer is, do you know what is the traditional clothing of Kerala? That is mundi. Okay, and for that Korea, that is hanbok. Yes, and it is present in option B, 1 and 6, 1 and 6, then 5 and 3, 5 and 3. Got it? Coming to the next question, the given options show pair of magnets each. Which pair of magnet will attract each other? So 4 options are there. You know the same poles of the magnet, same poles you know. If both are north pole or both are south pole, then they repel each other. And if opposite poles are there, like one south pole and one north pole, okay, then they attract each other. So what we need to do, we need to just find out where the opposite poles are there. Here north, so it will not attract. Here south and north, it will attract. North, south, it won't. Then here also north, south, it also won't attract. So correct answer is option B. Coming to the next question, Rohit performed an experiment wherein he set up 3 test tubes as shown in the figure. Select the incorrect statement regarding this. Options are A. Test tube P will have most carbon dioxide after 3 hours. B. Test tube Q will have least oxygen after 3 hours. C. Organisms in test tube R will survive for a longer time as compared to organism in test tube P and Q. D. No oxygen will remain in test tube P after some time. Okay, so we have to find the incorrect one. Okay, so first option, test tube P will have most carbon dioxide after 3 hours. So here in P, animals are there, aquatic animals, these are fishes. Okay, so they will only use oxygen and they will liberate carbon dioxide. So here the amount of oxygen will become less after some time and amount of carbon dioxide it will increase. Then here plants is there, green plant, right? So it will release oxygen, so amount of oxygen will increase here. And in R, both these fish and aquatic plant, these are there. So that plant they will release oxygen, and the oxygen it will means it will be consumed by, or the fish they will consume the oxygen. So there will be a balance here. Okay, so test tube P will have most carbon dioxide after 3 hours. Yes, because the fish they will use it up. Test tube Q will have least oxygen after the 3 hours. It is wrong because as plant is there, it will contain more oxygen. Organism in test tube R will survive for a longer time as compared to the organism in test tube P and Q. Yes, this one is correct because here there is a balance. Okay. No oxygen will remain in test tube P after some time. Yes, this one is also correct because the fish they will use it. So here the correct answer is option B. Got it? So this much for today's session. Let's meet you in the next session. Till then, read mindfully, practice all the questions properly. Okay. So meet you soon. Bye bye everyone.